My dear followers, I would like to talk today about one of the biggest problems in dentistry, which is related to the stress. So people under stress, prone to grind their teeth, clench their teeth. We call it bruxism. So the symptoms of that is that you start feeling that your teeth become more sensitive, or people can feel muscle pain, could be some headaches. They feel like teeth become more cracked on the front with some crack lines, or teeth become get cracked on the back, or some of the failing restorations on the back. If you have any of those symptoms which is related to the stress, could you please call us? We'll do examination, we'll take a look at your muscles, we'll take a look at your teeth, we'll take a look at the circumstances you are under, and we'll help you out to protect your smile, to protect your teeth from this grinding. Call us, make an appointment, and we're going to be glad to help you out. Thank you very much for your attention. Stay healthy. Have a wonderful day.